Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I will be showing you how to record videos or your screen without any watermark and without using any software. Okay, so how to do that inbuilt feature with the Windows 11. So first of all, open the search bar and you need to type a snipping tool. Yes, a snipping tool is also records the video. Okay, and you should be getting this option. This is for taking screenshots, but go to this section, snip video, and click on new. Once you click on new, select the area, as I am selecting here the whole area, and you need to click on start. Here it will be starting in the 1 second. Now it is started now. So let me go to the file explorer. Okay, all the video recording will be recorded without any watermark, and this will also not show in the video recording, as you can see. Okay, so let me cut it and how it will work. Click on this option, stop recording, and you can see its preview. See, everything is recorded without any watermark. Okay, and in order to save this, just click on this option, save as, and go to desktop, and I'm selecting a test and hit save. Then minimize this, and you can see the video has been recorded perfectly. You can see there is no watermark, so you don't need to use any third-party software to screen your recording. You can see this is very powerful tool from Windows 11. In the Windows 10 there was no option of recording from the snipping tools, but you can also do in a Windows 11 as well. So I will show you two ways. Now the second way is Xbox Xerox bar, Xbox bar. Okay, this is the very good for the gaming purposes. This will not record the file explorer any settings. Okay, so I will show you how to enable that. So you need to press window logo key plus G button, and if it is not working, open the, you can see it started, and if it is not coming on your Windows, it means that it is turned off from the settings. So let me show you how to enable this option. Settings, go to gamings, and you can see Xbox bar. Make sure it is on. If it is off, the shortcut will not work. Okay, you can also search like Xbox app, open it, okay, just let me again try Xbox game bar, open that. You can see capture. Okay, capture, you can see start recording. Okay, for the file explorer, not, this is not for Windows. So let me open the Google, and you need to press window plus G button. Okay, and it will start. You can see it is started now, and it will show everything from here. As you can see, everything whichever I do on a game or the Google Chrome, it will be saved. So in order to record this or the save the settings, click on stop recordings, and you can see clip recorded, and we need to go to its the location where the window is saved. See my captures. Okay, so in order to access the saved location, video location, click on start menu and then click on settings, and go to same option, gamings, and click on captures, and you will see here open folder. Just open that, and you will see here the save tabbed. You will see here save data. You can see we have recently, you can see here Okay, so this is how you can use the Xbox as well as the snipping tool or your Windows, and you can see the location as well from here. Okay, so hope this video useful for you and you are good to go. So thank you, thanks for watching how to fix tech.